Hello, hello! Welcome to my first YouTube tutorial of 2018! Starting out with a fresh face, I'm taking this Too Faced primer and rubbing it all over my face, getting it ready for my foundation. But first we want to glue down these brows. So we're taking a glue stick, just a standard back to school glue stick, and rubbing it all over our brows. Take a spoolie, comb them up, and then take a little bit of water and get rid of those bumps. I'm taking Shape Tape, what's it called? Concealer by Tarte, and I'm just kind of using that to hide my eyebrows a little bit better. Then I'm taking Total Control Drop Foundation by NYX in light and also natural, light ivory natural, yes, blend that out and cover your face and prep your canvas. So lovely, just lovely, so beautiful. And then we're taking this HD Studio powder and I'm just setting that foundation so that it stays nicely. This also helps with fallout from eyeshadow. And make sure to not inhale when you're doing it. I almost lost my breath a couple times. Take that Shape Tape and prep your eyes for your eyeshadow. I'm taking this Morphe 35 B palette. I'm using this beautiful blue and starting out with the outer corners. I'm using this smaller, more dense brush and then blending it out with my blending brush, kind of making it a triangle shape, a wing shape, and then gently dragging it over and blend, baby, blend away. Then I'm taking this green shadow and I'm putting that in the corners. And just go ahead and use that dense brush and then blend it together with that beautiful blue. I'm taking this Prismatic eyeshadow by NYX. This is called Glass Slipper, and it added the perfect shimmer that I wanted to that green. Taking the NYX Jumbo Pencil in white, I'm giving myself kind of a doll look on the bottom, so just make it go down a little bit lower. Then taking purple shadow, I'm going to add that right under the liner. And then the shadow just kept going. It just kept growing and growing. So it wasn't stopping. So blend. Same with the eyeliner. It just kept growing and growing. I wasn't too happy with the eyeliner, but I did not want to start over again. So they stayed bold and fabulous. Taking this NYX Liquid Suede Cream lipstick. I believe this color is Pink Lust. I'm creating some brows. Yep, we're adding on pink eyebrows with an angled brush and just keep going until you get the eyebrow that you desire. And now try to do the same exact thing on the other eye. Yeah, it's quite the challenge, but I think I did okay. Next, I'm taking the Highlight and Contour Pro palette from NYX, and I'm just contouring the crap out of my face, bringing my chiseled cheekbones out and my pointy nose alive. Taking this blush, this is Baby Doll, and then I'm just putting it right on the apple of my cheeks. So I just kind of wanted to keep it right there. This is the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. This shade is Luna, and I'm just using that for a beautiful highlighter. Just put it all in your highlighter areas. And fabulous. Looking good. Then I'm going to use this pink lip liner and I'm going to kind of outline a heart on my lips, taking that Pink Lust, the same that I used on my eyebrows. I'm just kind of filling that in. Look at those cute heart-shaped candied lips. Perfect. Okay, moving on down to the body paint. I kind of had it all traced for you guys, ready to go. I took inspiration from the board game, so that's where you move your game pieces. And then the Candyland was directly inspired from the way it was on my board game. So I'm just using a light pink and I'm filling in those letters. Next, I'm taking light blue, yellow, light purple, and these are all water activated body paints. Beach Berry by Mehron makeup, light green, orange, and I believe, yes, that was the last color. So super fun, super colorful. And then I'm just tracing each individual piece with a light brown paint, and I'm adding some edges to make it a little bit more dimensional. So that's what those edges are for. My pink on my Candyland was way too dark, so I took white body paint and I just went ahead and lightened that up. And then here comes the fun part with the Candyland details. Just make it look like a candy cane, basically. Just taking a beach berry red, and we're creating that shape that goes around the candy canes, kind of give it that round effect so that it doesn't look so flat. And then after we get done with the red, take white body paint and go in between the red lines. I really enjoyed this part. It was fun. It kind of was making it come to life and making it look like candy. So yeah, it was a good time. And then after we go ahead and fill in all of the white spots, we're going to do some highlighting to make it look really shiny and even more 3D dimensional, however you want to say it. So again, I'm just looking at my reference photo and just adding those white lines. Doesn't that just make it look all shiny and yummy and delicious? I love it. Then I'm taking that white body paint and I am outlining each individual game board line, I guess you could say, just to make it stand out a little bit better. Then from my Morphe 35C palette, I believe this is just a gray eyeshadow, kind of a darker gray. I'm just adding some dimension to my game board. I wanted it to kind of pop out a little bit more, so I'm just kind of lightly tracing a square, a smaller square on the bigger square. Yeah, pretty simple. And then I felt like it needed to be light as well, so I'm taking the white body paint and adding some more highlights. Then we need some bling bling bling, so I'm adding some bling bling with some white body paint and just add a bit more fun details. I didn't really care for my skin tone, so the same blue eyeshadow that I used on my eyes, I'm taking that and filling in for those skin tone, or the skin tone color. So there it is, it's all done. I had super fun with this one. I'm so excited for this makeup series, so keep a lookout for the first character. They should be coming up here pretty soon, but thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope that 2018 is good to us all. I have a good feeling about it, and I'm excited. So thanks again for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye!